name is Mayrelee. I'm a chef assistant pastry bakery at Boma Flavors of Africa. When I first got here on my first day in the job, I was nervous. I didn't know what to expect. But once I got here, the welcoming I got, it was wonderful. It was great. It was magical because they treated you like if you were part of the family. What inspired me to work in pastry and culinary, for me, it's one of the places that I can be my creative self. I can create new plates, I draw, I paint, so that is one route that I can actually express my art, express the way I feel, and make others happy, because food makes everyone happy, right? Having this experience at Boma in a very open space, it's wonderful, because when you prepare something, you can interact with the guest. They will see you doing something and they will ask you, is that going to be, like, am I going to see that? Am I going to be able to buy that? Because it looks delicious. So you see them at their table just smiling and just saying, that was wonderful. So that just makes our day. I had the chance to bring my kids here and they were excited to see what I did, what we all did as a group, how we all came together just to make something special. For them, it was just a great experience. Our production, it's actually in the thousands when it comes to pastry. So working in a full production of thousands of pastries every single day, every minute, every hour is wonderful. It's great. The desserts we make here are made with the freshest ingredients, with the best strawberries we receive, the best flowers we receive, the best chocolate ever. Where else can you get that? Making pastry is just like making art. It's wonderful.